Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get free Nitro gift codes. Getting free Discord Nitro gift codes is possible through official promotions, giveaways, and reward programs. Additionally, Microsoft Rewards and Bing Rewards occasionally allow users to redeem points for Nitro codes. Friends with extra Nitro gift codes or server boosts may also be willing to share. Platforms like YouTube Premium, Xbox Game Pass, and Epic Games sometimes offer free Nitro gift codes as part of special promotions. The safest way to get free Nitro sticks to official promotions and trusted community giveaways. You have to subscribe to the Nitro option. Then it'll open the Discord website and make sure to log in. It offers a plan that starts at $2.99 per month. Nitro Basic costs $2.99 and Nitro costs $9.99. Next, click on Gift Nitro shown at the top. You can select the Nitro plan by paying a one-time charge of $9.99. Then click on the Select button and select the payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, CVC, and name of the card. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.